Having trouble logging into your Tesco Bank account? It's frustrating when the system doesn't recognize your username, email, date of birth, DOB, or security data. This often happens due to simple typos, outdated app versions, or security protocols. Let's quickly address the common causes and how to resolve them. First, double-check your username/email for any typos, remembering that they're case-sensitive. Ensure your DOB is entered in the correct format, YYY. For security data like memorable words or PINs, accuracy is key. Try logging in via a web browser at tescobank.com to check and reset your credentials. Also, make sure your Tesco Bank app is up to date. Outdated apps may not sync correctly with Tesco Bank servers. If you're still locked out, use the Forgot Password option to reset your password via email. These initial steps should resolve many login issues. If the basic fixes don't work, it's time for advanced troubleshooting. Start by clearing your app's cache or switching from Wi-Fi to mobile data. If you're using biometric login like fingerprint or facial recognition, try re-enrolling your biometrics. For locked accounts, contact Tesco Bank support at 0345 835 1234, being prepared to verify your identity. To prevent future issues, enable two-factor authentication via SMS or an authenticator app for an extra layer of security. Also, be cautious of phishing scams, which can compromise your login details. Regularly update your app and operating system. Remember, Tesco Bank is continuously improving its security, with trends moving towards biometric and AI-driven authentication. Staying proactive with these steps will help ensure a smooth and secure banking experience.